So those are my attractive faces. Okay, so on Social Web earlier we were talking about accents and like, I don't remember how we got on that, but so we made a huge list of like words to say, and it's pretty extensive. And so we had everyone to say them all. Well, not a lot of people, and they're making videos, and I'm like the last one to make mine, so I'm sorry about that. And so we have coffee, washing machine, dog, orange, walrus, water, about, pecan, Taliban, Iraq, house, Massachusetts, allergies, towel, sorry, specific, button, mountain, kitten, Atropos, which is me, and then like everyone says it weird because it's a weird name, and pineapple, y'all, Rob, February, library, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Lachesis, Joey, Juan Pablo Montoya, one, data, auditorium, Minnesota, Minger, or Measure, I don't know, it's a British word, Muppet, bloke, either, neither, homage, statistics, walk, yellow, wrapping, Cool Whip, pajamas, boiling, Hannah, hills, pictures, windmill, and drawing. So that's all the words, and it's like, so I don't really say them really cool because I live in Iowa and we don't have accents. We just basically say normal. But it's really cold here. It's like this blanket is for, and so okay.